Welcome to the Leonardo Southampton. Now this is the Grand Harbour Leonardo. It's the one as you come in, it's the one opposite the Holiday Inn. It's the one that looks like the Pyramid Building, and because there's two now, because what was the Jury's Inn is now a Leonardo. So when you go onto the booking, just make sure if you want this one, you do pick the right one. This is the one nearest to the ocean terminal for the cruises. So you've got Leonardo, and then you've got the Leonardo which was the Jury's Inn. So this is a superior room. Nice chair there, little table, and you get the complimentary water as well. You get the menu for the Marco Pierre White restaurant. What we got here? Must be a, oh yeah, you got the safe in there. Little area as you come in, a little sort of corridor area, somewhere to put your suitcase. Plenty of drawers, plenty of cupboards. Yeah, oh, there's a little heater down there. Hopefully we won't need that. It won't be that cold. Some nice drawers, hairdryer in the drawer. Nice sized drawers. Another wardrobe with an ironing board and an iron. Some information there, and then you've got a nice bathroom here. So as you can see, it's quite a size, this one actually, and you get your complimentary toiletries as well, which is unusual for some hotels now, because normally they're bolted to the wall, but this stuff, it's the actual White Company. So yeah, very nice. And this one, you've got a bath, you've got a shower in the bath, so it's another thing to bear in mind for stepping in and out if you'd rather have a walk-in shower. I don't know if they do the walk-in showers. Again, you might need to check that if you were to phone up. And then here, something I've never used before, a bidet. Yeah, I've never used one of them. I don't know if I want to, but there you go. So yeah, a couple of glasses there for your toothbrushes and things. Soap and hand wash, and that's in addition to the complimentary ones. Your towel rail. Yeah, nice big mirror. So yeah, it's definitely a nice size. Then as you come in, there's all our luggage there. Nice big TV on the wall there. And then a nice view. Oh, just one thing as well, the tea and coffee making facilities. You've actually got an espresso machine there with the little espresso cups, biscuits, and there's the espresso pods. So yeah, it's got all the bits and bobs, and then it's the view. So yeah, so that is the Leonardo Southampton Grand Harbour.